Meet the Westermann CM2 Ride-On PRO, the small machine that delivers big performance, designed for professionals who need power, precision and reliability in demanding environments. The CM2 PRO is your all-in-one solution for year-round site and grounds maintenance. Built on a rugged galvanised chassis that measures just 1.5 metres long and 0.825 metres wide, giving you the agility to work where larger machines simply can't reach or where jobs for pedestrian machines are just too big. With a smooth hydrostatic drive and electric start, operating the CM2 PRO is effortless. Choose from the trusted Honda GXV390 or twin-cylinder Loncin engine for heavy, continuous workloads. For the toughest jobs, you can even equip it with an oil cooler to keep performance consistent all day long. But what truly elevates the CM2 PRO is its onboard hydraulic system, delivering an impressive 18 litres per minute. It powers a hydraulic lift with a floating function, allowing attachments to glide naturally with the contours of the ground. Combined with a quick change lever system, switching from one task to the next just takes seconds, maximising productivity and minimising downtime. The CM2 PRO supports an extensive range of professional attachments: high-performance brushes for sweeping and weed control, axial sweepers for large areas, snowplows for winter work, pushing blades, buckets, scrapers, feed tools and more. Whatever the season, whatever the surface, there's an attachment that gets it done. If you're looking for a compact machine that replaces multiple tools, boosts efficiency and works reliably all year long, the Westermann CM2 Ride-On PRO is a smart investment. It's a compact unit built to get more done, faster, cleaner and with professional results every time.